stock left and LED to the right. Huge difference.
Into this project, I'm going to be replacing the fog lights, the fixture, and the bulb. So I'm going to install new lights, and I want to try these two fog lights. This one is bright white, this one is amber. This is new versus old. Huge difference. The first thing I'm going to do is removing the bulb cable, which is very simple, just pressing here at the top and pulling back. There we go. See, this is the tap. And removing this vessel is very simple. There are 3 taps like this one that need to be pressed in and then pushed forward. So I'm going to look for the 3 taps, and I'm going to help myself with my left hand to pull toward the outside, toward the front. There are actually 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to remove the headlight, I'm just gonna pop it out. You're just pulling. It's a little bit hard, but it'll come out. You're gonna feel like you're gonna break it, but it will come out. There we go. See, nothing broke. And they just came out of these tabs. And this is how it looks like from the back. This is the adjustment to lift or lower the light. And the new one looks exactly the same. See, the way they get connected is with these kind of knuckles. So by changing already the passenger side, I realized that it's much easier if I remove these tabs over here and mount them on the light before I push it in. So I'm going to get them out. So to remove these tabs, it's very simple. Just press in and then pull. So I'm going to mount this one here. Next, I'm going to mount the amber LED light, which actually has a position. You cannot get it wrong. So pressing the light back in, it takes a little bit of effort. So just to help a little bit, I'm going to put some dielectric silicone on the tab so they slide in a little bit easier. And I also double check that the height of the adjusting screw is the same as the old one, so I don't need to be doing any adjustment afterwards. 1, 2, I'm lining up the holes. 3. Yeah, they are all in. And I'm going to mount the bezel on. Next, I'm going to try different bulbs to make a comparison. The stock one versus the Auxito one. Stock versus LED. But first, I have to weld till dark. Alright, it's dark already, so let's try stock versus amber, amber versus white. Driver's side, stock, passenger side, LED.
You can see it here, right here. So much brighter, the LED. So I'm gonna cover the LED one in the passenger side. It's such a huge difference. So LED on the left side is taking over the entire field. And now is white in the driver, LED, amber in the passenger side. So the white is really overtaking big time the amber one. Oh yeah, the white one is pretty bright on the right side. Upgrading from halogen to LED is an absolute no-brainer, especially for the price of these bulbs. It's $30–35 a pair. I'm gonna stick with the amber lights I like more than the white ones. Thank you for watching. See you next time.